Hello there and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this candle at home. It looks complicated but in fact it's very simple, so let's get started. I'm gonna use a container soy wax which I will transfer into the wax melter. Once it's melted, I will take 100 milliliters of soy wax for the whipping wax. I will add 1 spoon of coconut oil which give a creamy consistency and prevent the hardening, and I will add pink dye. I will mix it well to make sure it's fully incorporated and then add 6% vanilla scented oil. Once it is incorporated, I will leave the mix aside to cool and I will move to the next step. I will use a champagne style glass which gives a more elegant design to the candle. I will clean it with sanitizing alcohol from inside out and I will leave it aside. In 2 separate paper cups I will put 100 milliliters of soy wax in each and 6% scented oil. Then I will add pink dye and brown dye, and these two will be used for the decorations of the candle. Now I'm pouring the mix into the silicone molds and I will keep them aside to harden. I will take 1 cotton Wicks CD12 and secure it into the center of the jar. I will put over 100 milliliters of soy wax, which was mixed before with 6% scented oil. While the base of the candle is cooling, I will unmold the decoration that I made. I decided that I want the whipping cream to be in 2 colors, pink and blue. So I'm gonna take 1 more paper cup, pour 100 milliliters of soy wax, add the blue dye, 6% scented oil, and then mix it until it has a creamy consistency and is ready to be placed in the piping bag. I will do the same also with the pink wax. I will whip it again and make sure it has a fluffy consistency and soft, and I will transfer it into the piping bag. Now that I have the whipping wax ready, I will let my imagination flow and I will start decorating the candle. So here you can be as creative as you want and do it the way you like it, the design you want, so there is no limit for your creation. And because I added coconut oil into the wax, there is no rush with the whipping wax. It will not harden that quick, so you can take your time. I will add the remaining wax into the ice cream scoop and I will have another small candle. I will take the remaining brown wax and I will pour it into a muffin paper cup. Once it's cooled, I will take a spoon and I will make a hole in the middle. This will make it look more like a tart than a muffin. Once again, I will use the leftover pink wax to fill it up. Now I will decorate it with some cherries, raspberries and other decorative elements that I have in the house. And here it is, an amazing dessert candle, and bonus, an ice cream scoop and a small tart. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if so, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye!